Top 5 Best Trumpets. Number 5. Yamaha YTR-2330. The Yamaha YTR-2330 is what happens when a brand decides to treat beginner musicians like future professionals. Built to survive the daily grind of practice and marching band chaos, it offers a warm, balanced tone that feels far above the student label. The gold epoxy lacquer isn't just pretty, it gives every note a subtle richness, making even first scales sound more confident. Monel alloy valves glide smoothly, reducing the frustration that often ends a budding musician's career before it starts. Owners appreciate its thoughtful design. Lightweight for comfort, easy to adjust for proper technique, and shipped with essentials like valve oil, slide grease, and a sturdy case. Parents say it inspires their kids to keep practicing, and experienced Yamaha players nod in approval of its consistent quality. Yes, it's made in China and ships from Japan, but it arrives in perfect condition, ready to play. For those tempted by cheaper, used options, this trumpet proves that peace of mind and a brand's reputation can be worth the extra investment. In short, the YTR-2330 gives beginners the rare gift of a first instrument that feels like it could stay with them for years. Coming in number 4. Eastrock Trumpet Standard Trumpet Set. The Eastrock Bb Trumpet proves that a beginner instrument doesn't have to feel or sound like a compromise. Designed with a solid brass body, it delivers a surprisingly rich, warm tone and quick response that makes learning less about frustration and more about fun. The valves are smooth, the slides fit as they should, and the adjustable features help players of all ages find their comfort zone. At under $100, it's earned a reputation as the why not trumpet. Perfect for first-timers, returning players, or even pros who want a worry-free backup. Color options like bright blue or lime green add personality without sacrificing performance. Owners praise its durability, noting it can hold its own against pricier student models, even in side-by-side tests. From church concerts to school bands, the Eastrock Bb has proven it can blend in sonically while standing out visually. Yes, the included valve oil is basic, but a quick upgrade takes care of that. For beginners, it's a low-risk entry into the world of brass. For experienced players, it's a solid spare that won't cause heart palpitations if it gets a ding. At this price, it's less a purchase and more an invitation to make some noise. Coming in number 3, Glory Bb Trumpet. Glory's Bb Trumpet aims low on price and lands high on value. The kit is generous, hard case and accessories included, and the finish looks sharp. Tone leans bright and surprisingly loud. A practice mute is smart for apartments. Build feels sturdy, and once the valves get a little oil, action becomes smooth with easy slides. For beginners and returning players, it delivers the core promise: clean attacks, steady response, and enough range for school band charts and bugle calls. There are limits. Intonation can wander in the upper register, which seasoned players will notice, and this isn't built for pro pit work. But as a first horn, a backup, or a themed color gig, yes, the green lacquer pops on stage, it holds its own. Several owners compared it favorably to older Yamaha student models. High praise at this price. Think of it as a dependable daily trainer, not fancy at this price. Think of it as a dependable daily trainer, not fancy, but ready, loud, and motivating. Coming in number 2. Jean Paul TR-330. John Paul's TR-330 treats a first horn like a serious instrument. Intonation lands true across the range, so beginners learn pitch, not bad habits. The yellow brass bell projects a warm, resonant voice. The medium bore keeps airflow easy and control steady. Ergonomics are thoughtful. A comfortable third valve ring, fixed but well placed, standard second valve ring, and a weight that doesn't tire young hands. Build quality over-delivers for the price. Clean soldering, numbered valves, smooth action once oiled, and the included gig-style case with backpack straps is practical for school and rehearsals. Real-world use backs it up. Dark, easy low notes, confident upper register, responsive dynamics that make auditions and concerts feel doable. One smart tip: replace the bundled valve oil with a trusted brand to avoid stickiness during longer sessions. The standout chapter here is support, prompt parts assistance, and friendly service. Prompt parts assistance and friendly service turn accidents into minor detours, not disasters. For students, returning players, or anyone weighing rental fees, the TR-330 offers reliable tone, durable construction, and a clear path to progress. Coming in number 1, Eastar Bb Standard Trumpet Set for Beginner. Eastar's Bb Standard Trumpet shows why beginners stick with music. Quick wins, clean sound, and gear that doesn't fight back. Tone is bright and full, with enough power to cut through a school band. The 0.459-inch bore and yellow brass and cupronical build keep response easy and pitch stable. Valves link up tightly and move smoothly when oiled. Eastar's close tolerance valve design helps prevent sticking, and slides travel freely without drifting out of tune. The set is generous. 7C mouthpiece, gloves, full cleaning kit, and a lightweight, rain-friendly case with pockets and strap. Simple to carry, tough enough for rehearsals. Finish is mirror shiny and gift ready. Real-world users report solid intonation across the range and tone that holds its own next to pricier student horns. Notes to consider: some boxes include basic valve oil, some don't. Either way, upgrading oil is valve oil, some don't. Either way, upgrading oil is smart. The 7C mouthpiece suits younger players, but switching sizes is cheap if a teacher suggests it. Include regular cleaning, avoid soaking valve felts, and be gentle with the zipper. For first lessons, marching practice, or a budget backup, this horn delivers progress, not excuses.